Hello, I'm Kai, and welcome to our video. Don't forget to follow our main channel. Love you all. Sick of checking all your social media accounts? Good news! This workflow sends all your updates straight to Telegram every few hours. To start, just search for Twitter or X content aggregation in your browserAct. If you're not sure how to do it, I have a video that shows you the exact steps. Check it out. All you need to do is set the hour limit. This will collect every post from that specific time until now. You will need a username, phone number, and password to connect to X and bypass its verification. Important. For your security, be very careful not to use your real account. Instead, create a brand new one just for this process. Once that's set up, follow the profiles you want to track, and you will get data updates every few hours. The workflow loads the posts twice. Once for a slightly shorter time frame, and again for a slightly longer one. Then it extracts the data. Here's what the browser automation does. It checks for new posts, scrolls down to load more, and repeats this cycle until it reaches the specific time you've set. Then, it extracts the data into a structure I defined, which includes the post's URL and a picture. If the post is text only, no picture is included in the data. Now for the N8 template. It's very simple, just like my other templates. It contains 4 nodes: a run node, get node, agent node, and send node. Simply go inside the get node, change the request credentials, add your API key to the bearer token, and put the workflow ID in the body parameter. That's all you need to do. No other changes are needed, as I've already connected the nodes together for you. For the AI agent, you only need to add your Gemini credentials. Its job is to summarize and clean the data format. The if node has 2 outputs. If there's no picture, we will send a standard message to Telegram. If there is one, we will use the send picture function instead. Don't forget to add your credentials and the channel ID to both Telegram nodes. Of course, you can also change the target site to Instagram or whatever you like, and you can switch the final output from Telegram to email or another service. Here's what the final result looks like in Telegram. I chose to use Telegram for this example mainly because it's so simple to configure and easy to use on phone. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best. Kai.